audio courses, lessons, and audio articles. Everyday new courses and audio articles to learn from. 280 topics, over 15,000 audio files. Learn for free. No time to wait. Get started with your online learning journey. In this episode about blogging. 7 advantages of building niche blog sites. This post will explain the 7 benefits of structured niche blogs. A specific niche refers to a targeted market with revenue capacity that is not saturated with rivals. The idea is to recognize the advantages of structure-specific niche blog sites, find the particular niche markets, and start structure. Advantage 1. Specific niche blogs are essentially niche sites that are alive. That's because your blog will grow as you release posts or pages routinely to your blog site. On the other hand, lots of niche websites are hardly ever modified or upgraded after they are created. Advantage 2. Blogs are designed to publish and upgrade content easily as soon as you have them established, set up, and running. As soon as you get the hang of it, it refers to composing blog posts and pages and publishing them routinely. Advantage 3. They are either free or cost extremely little to establish. You can produce your blogs quickly by checking out Blogger.com or WordPress.org and studying and learning the how-to. Advantage 4. You can earn money with your niche blogs in many ways, such as publishing third-party ads on your blog sites, e.g., Google AdSense publishing. Advising affiliate services and products in your blogs, e.g., Amazon. Advantage 5. Unlike sites, blog sites are interactive. Visitors, or blog site readers, are generally permitted to publish comments for a blog post, or post, to the blog site owner. This dialogue helps to build rapport and relationships between the blog owner and his visitors or members. Advantage 6. Since blogs are normally upgraded frequently by means of blog posts and pages, blog sites will rank higher in online search engines than websites. In contrast, you have to do a lot of tweaking to a niche website through search engine optimization (SEO) techniques. Search engines will visit your blogs more routinely as you blog more routinely. So, you can also post links to your other sites to get them indexed quickly by the search engines. Advantage 7. A blog site's syndication function is its most effective advantage. You can syndicate the contents of your blog by permitting other website publishers to release your feed or channel on their sites. This assists in bringing more traffic to your blogs as the visitors of these websites register for your feed through web-based or desktop news readers. So, with the above benefits, does it not make sense to start constructing niche blogs as quickly as possible?
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Audio content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.